Welcome to the final lesson on linking words. Okay, today we are studying linking words. We are going to look at so, because, although, but, when and while. So, let's start with so. So means this is why, okay? Because means for this reason. They are not the same. They are different, but they are similar. Look at this. We took an umbrella. Can you hear the rain? I can hear rain up there. We took an umbrella. Yeah. For what reason? For what reason? Yeah. Why? We took an umbrella. Why? Because it was raining. Because answers the question why. Yeah, we took an umbrella. Why? Because it was raining. Yeah, remember this? We took an umbrella because it was raining. Now look at what happens when it was raining and we took an umbrella at the end. We put it was raining at the start, and then we want to say it was raining, so we took an umbrella. Yeah, it was raining. Okay, so that's why we took an umbrella. Yeah, it was raining. That's why we took an umbrella. So means this is why, or that's why. Because means for this reason. Okay, look at the next one. I didn't see him. Okay, why didn't I see him? Why? Why didn't I see him? Because he was wearing dark clothes. But if we swap it round, if we say he was wearing dark clothes, this is why, that's why, so I didn't see him. Okay? So and because are different. They are different. Now, I want you to know that since and as also mean because. They are synonyms. We can say we took an umbrella as it was raining. We took an umbrella because it was raining. We took an umbrella since it was raining. Okay? I know since we have already studied, and I told you that you use since plus moment in time. Yeah? I haven't seen my brother since Tuesday. Or I haven't seen my brother since last week. But this since is different. This since means because, and the other since means from that moment. Yeah, so since has two meanings. It has two meanings. It means because, and it means from that moment. Okay? And as can also mean because. It's also a synonym of because. Okay? And so here, I didn't see him as he was wearing dark clothes. I didn't see him since he was wearing dark clothes. Also correct. Okay. And one more thing. So is informal, but in a informal English, in an academic essay, therefore, it sounds the same as so. They're very similar, but almost the same. Therefore and so are very similar because as since are very similar. Okay, although and but. Both of the, well, although is for concession. You can look for that word in a dictionary. It will help you. But is for contrast. Yeah, contrast. And look for this word if you don't know it. Yeah, but is for contrast. Although is for concession. And though and even though are synonyms of although. They're synonyms, just like because, as, since, synonyms. Although, though, even though, synonyms. Okay, so look at this. It was very cold. She wasn't wearing a coat. How surprising. Yeah, concession has surprise. Contrast doesn't have surprise. There's surprise there with concession. Surprise. So, although it was very cold, although it was very cold, although, or even though, yeah, even though it was very cold, she wasn't wearing a coat. How surprising. It's a surprise. It was cold, but she wasn't wearing a coat. It's a surprise. Okay, and although, though, even though, we can put at the front of the sentence, at the beginning, at the start of the sentence, but is not usually at the start. It's usually in the middle, okay? Although it was very cold, comma, she wasn't wearing a coat, or she wasn't wearing a coat, although, though, even though, it was freezing. Yeah, remember, freezing means very cold, freezing. She wasn't wearing a coat, although it was freezing, okay? So we can put although at the beginning, or we can put it in the middle. And it tells us something surprising. Yeah, although tells us something surprising. She wasn't wearing a coat, but what a surprise. It was freezing and she wasn't wearing a coat. Okay, but doesn't. They live in the town, but contrast. Yeah, town, countryside. Countryside is far from the town. Fields and trees and forests and rivers and lakes. Town is where you find the train station, the hospital, the town centre, the shops. So they live in the town, but contrast, we live in the countryside. Yeah, they live in the north. Yeah, north means up on a map.